This is the end of SPS Atlanta, the Smart Production Solution Show in the Georgia World Congress Center. We thank all our guests, visitors, friends in the industry, clients for visiting booth 1029, the DigitalituM booth. What is DigitalituM? We are your digital toolbox, having tools in AR, VR, IoT, and AI to make manufacturing better, faster, more efficient. We are thanking Arkite for supporting us setting up the Arkite ProjectedAR worker guidance system, where you get projected guided work instructions step by step, and the infrared camera is checking on you if you're doing things right. Our latest partner, Craze by Seitcom, the production efficiency tool connected between ERP and your assets. It optimizes your production. You get more production with the same equipment, more efficient, less energy, less cost. Contact these guys at Seitcom. Happy to forward your requests. To our supporters IOSS and Evocon for supporting us with this workstation. IOSS leader in data matrix code reading for hard to read codes like this .pin, and IOSS Verifiers for medical device applications like this chirurgical instruments to verify this code according ISO 29158. Evocon leads in OEE visualization. This IoT device connected with the sensor measures the status on the machine and then visualizes it in the dashboard. There you get the overall equipment efficiency OEE. Then Scanmatics, get the information you need at the location you are, scan a QR code, add an asset, get the associated technical documents, and the AI chatbot will get you the answers you need to fix and maintain that equipment. The two Modocs struggling with creating work instructions, this voice to SOP or work instruction app helps you with that. Just speak your work instructions, like how to assemble something, step by step per voice into the app, and it generates a nicely structured work instruction for you, even using your work instruction template. Isn't that awesome? Polytron, local engineering expertise here in the Atlanta area. They focus on smart manufacturing and MES implementation. If you have any needs in that, reach out to them, or we're happy to forward a contact request to them. Supported us as well here at SPS Atlanta. Penon partners help you with interim expertise in IT, HR, finance, and manufacturing, as I'm part of Penon partners as well. Last but not least, big thank you to SPS Atlanta for supporting the DigitalituM podcast at the intersection of manufacturing and digital transformation. Where we will be next, follow Marcus and DigitalituM on LinkedIn, and you will see on what manufacturing show we show up next.